Hey, I want to tell you about these blue light blocking glasses and another feature that you'll really like from TOVEEN. They did send these to me as a gift to show you and give you my honest review. I have two pairs from them. I have a black that I am wearing currently, all black metal in the front and an acetate material on the back that goes over your ears, super comfortable. And they flip up. Now, why is that such a game changer? As I've been using these for several days now, I've realized how much I have despised regular reader glasses because I have them in so many places. I've even forgotten where I've stashed all of them, and I've lost so many pairs, not only at home, but all across the country on trips. And they are just difficult to work with because you might store them on your head, on a chain around your neck, like me, maybe in your pocket. But it's amazing how many times today, I've never counted how many times per day I've taken on and off my readers. With these, you can leave them on, and all you do is flip them up. And by the way, this hinge on here is extremely durable. I could do this all day. They're great quality and they stay up. If you've got a hat on, here I've got a hat right here. If you've got a hat on, you could put them halfway or 2/3 of the way up. They'll still work, give you that great experience. So they are hat friendly. Also, so many things that we are reading throughout the day, and when you hit later in life and your eyes just aren't working the way that they were when you were young. Things like, you've got certain bottles that have very small text, boxes, even tea, reading the ingredients, so many different things that you struggle to see. Now, one thing about TOVEEN with their glasses is you get a protective case. They threw in a little cleaning microfiber cloth, which is nice. And the other thing with these is they are just extremely durable, comfortable. I do have one caveat with them that I'll share later, but I wanted to show you this other one they sent me. Now, they do have a lot of different magnification options. Mine are 1.5, but if you need something that's a little bit stronger, maybe not quite as strong as 1.5, they've got those options. These are a little more stylish, and they have a lot of different styles and colors. These have kind of a gold metal and then more of a pattern back here with the brown, black, light brown. And again, same build, very good quality. So really appreciate that. Now, let me give you a little story. I was traveling the last couple of weeks, and there were a number of times that I was in conversations with people where they wanted to show me something on their phone, or they wanted to ask me to show them something on my device. And when they went to show me on my phone, I was thinking, where did I stow my readers? And I had put them somewhere else, not in the same room, or I just had them in another location where we were talking, and I just couldn't go back to get them. In the moment, it was not good that I wasn't able to see. But with these, I could have them flipped up and be able to walk around, because anything beyond 5 or 6 feet begins to get blurry for me. And so I don't really want the lenses over my eyes the entire time. So I could have easily just flipped them down, saw what was on my device or theirs, and then not had to pretend that I saw it. Again, it might look a little strange for you to walk around with these flipped up, but as we get older, I care less about what people think and more about convenience. And so these are super convenient for that. And you just think, even I do a lot of projects around my house, and I am always taking my other readers on and off, on and off. This allows me to focus in on what I'm doing, because a lot of my projects are within 3 or 4 feet of me. And then if I do need to get up and go get a tool or go do something else, I can flip them up. They're still on my face. I'm not going to lose them. Super convenient. Really like that. And of course, like I mentioned at the beginning, they're blue light blocking, so you really get a great experience working on your laptop or on your device, because I do work a lot on my computer during the day throughout the week, and so it's nice to know that they have the blue light blocking or filtering. So super encouraged with these. One caveat though is they ride up a little bit high on my face, if you can see. So the nose pads here are pretty close together. They say that you can adjust them. I have tried to adjust them. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of wiggle room, and so they just ride kind of high up on my face. Not a deal breaker, not what I would prefer as far as the look, but they are very comfortable. I've worn them for long periods of time and they've been fine. So hope this review helps you. Again, a big thanks for TOVEEN for sending these to me for my review, and hopefully this helps you as you consider your decision on flip-up reader glasses.